welcome honor members to this March Parliament session.
वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां
nation and work towards the growth and development of our great country. I look forward to engaging in constructive debates and discussions.
The Finance Minister of this great nation, I am honored to serve in this capacity and look forward to working with all of you to shape the financial future of our country. Transportation, efficient and safe movement of people and goods across our nation.
Some key points are economic growth, fiscal discipline, tax reforms, infrastructure development, social welfare. And one more policy is also going to introduce, that is the new education.
As the Minister of Labour, I am honored to serve in this capacity and look forward to working with all.
I have pleasure to introduce myself, Nandini, as the Minister of Food and Civil Supplies. I am honored.
Honorable members of the House, this is Harshita. My ministry is Health and Welfare, Family Welfare. My ministry is committed to improving healthcare. Dear Madam, members of the House, myself Sahasra, I am the Minister of Rural Development. My portfolio includes overseeing the development with all of you to promote the growth and development of our nation industries. Madam Speaker, One District, One Product scheme. This initiative aims to promote India and honor to serve in this capacity as the Revenue Minister. My key area of responsibility, taxation and finance. Madam Speaker, outline the government plans to invest in critical infrastructure projects such as roads, railways, ports and airports. The Transport Minister on technical failures, by that it may rely on complete technologies which can be prone to technical failures. Circular structure replacing the traditional 10+2 system. Madam Speaker, this structure includes 5 years of foundational stage, 3 years of preparatory
allocations for certain sectors such as healthcare and infrastructure development. Can the honorable member of explain it?
adapt crop varieties resulting in loss of biodiversity. I would like to seek clarification on it. Yes, Madam Speaker, I had explanation about that. Madam Speaker, Bioinput Resource Centers 10,000 of the members, their active participation and contribution of their debates. Thank you all. Session. Your active participation, engaging discussions and enthusiasm have made this event truly special. Once again, thank you everyone.
Children, thank you very much. Within the short period of time, you done great performance. Thank you for that. And thank you, Social Media, and who are involved in this program. Thank you very much to all.